12 minus 8 plus 6 divided by 576. Here let us check with first option whether it is. The question is right or wrong. 12 in the place of minus we substitute into 8, in the place of plus we substitute into 6, in the place of divided by we substitute is equal to 576. 12 8s are how much? 96. 96 6 are yes 576 is equal to 576. So automatically first option 1 is right answer. So 8 are 96, 96 6 are 576. So 576 equal to 576. So option 1 is right answer. Next 17. 101. In the place of plus we substitute minus 14. In the place of plus we substitute into 7. In the place of divide we substitute is equal to 3. So 101 minus 14 how much? 87 into 7 is equal to C. We clearly observe that it is 87 into 7 is we get high value. It is not equal to 3. So option 1 is wrong. Let us check option 2. 101 is equal to, in the place of plus we substitute is equal to 14. In the place of plus we substitute minus 7. In the place of divided by we substitute plus 3. So 101 minus is equal to 14 minus 7, 7 plus 3. 101 7 plus 3 10. It is not equal. So option 2 is also wrong. Let us check option 3. 101 in the place of plus we substitute is equal to 14. In the place of plus we substitute again plus 7. In the place of divided by we substitute minus 3. It is also wrong. We clearly observe that it is also wrong because 101 is equal to 14 plus 7, 21 minus 3, that is equal to 18. So it is not equal. 101 is not equal to 18. So option 3 is also wrong. So automatically option 4 is right. Let us check whether it is right or wrong. 101 in the place of plus we substitute is equal to 14. In the place of plus we substitute into 7. In the place of divide we substitute plus 3. Okay, 101 is equal to 14 sevens how much? 98 plus 3. So 101 is equal to 98 plus 3, 101. 101 is equal to 101. So option 4 is right. Three at 4. There is no need to substitute the signs in given option 1 because there is no is equal to in option 1. ఒకటో ఆప్షన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు లేదు కాబట్టి మనం వాటితో చెక్ చేయవలసిన అవసరం లేదు. డైరెక్ట్ మనం నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్లోకి వెళ్దాం. అలాగే ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్లో కూడా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు లేదు. సో ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ కూడా కాదు. 1 4 కాదు. మన 50% ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది. ప్లస్ 27 డివైడ్ బై 10. So let us substitute the signs in first option in given question. 54 in the place of minus we substitute is equal to 5. In the place of plus we again substitute plus in the place 27 in the place of divided by we substitute minus 10. Okay, 54 is equal to 5 plus 27. How much? 32. 32 minus 10, 22. So it is not equal. So one is wrong. Let us check second one. There is no is equal to in second option. So second one is also wrong. Let us check third option. 54 in the place of minus we substitute into 5. In the place of plus we substitute is equal to 27. In the place of divide by we substitute into 10. 54 5s are 270 is equal to 27 10s are 270. So both are equal. So option 3 is right answer. Okay, there is no need to check the option 4 because there is no is equal to in fourth option. So fourth one is also wrong. Third one is right answer. Next question. 20th. 30 in the place of divided we substitute is equal to 3. In the place of plus we substitute plus 9. In the place of minus we substitute minus 3. 30 3 plus 9 12 minus 3 12 minus 3 9. So 30 is not equal to 9. So option 1 is wrong. Okay, option 1 is wrong. Let us check option 2. There is no is equal to option 2. So there no need to check the option 2. Is equal to లేదు కాబట్టి రెండు చెక్ చేయవలసిన అవసరం లేదు. 3లో కూడా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు లేదు. సో ఇది కూడా చెక్ చేయవలసిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇది కూడా రాంగ్. ఆటోమేటికల్లీ fourth one is right answer. Let us check whether it is right or wrong. Fourth one 30 in the place of divided we substitute minus 3 plus in the place of plus we substitute is equal to 9. In the place of minus we substitute into 3. Here 30 in the place of divided we substitute minus 3. In the place of plus we substitute is equal to 9. In the place of minus we substitute into 3. 30 minus 3 27. 9 3s are 27. So both are is equal to. So option 4 is right answer.